Hey, so today we're going to Boston. I'm getting an Uber because I didn't want to park at a parking place and then take shuttles and all that stuff. I got a bunch of luggage here, so just trying to make it simple on myself. So yeah, should be, as you can tell, kind of dreary, kind of cloudy day, not the best, but we'll try to make the most of it, and let's go to DIA. All right, so I checked my baggage over there, Premier Access. I just think this is funny. There are so many people just sitting here doing nothing. Like all these people in yellow, they're ready to help people for wheelchair assistance, but there's literally nothing for them to do. So if you ever get in this situation, I've been waiting in line for a couple of minutes, but this is TSA pre, but over to the right, there is no line, and it's not TSA pre. It would be much quicker to go that way if you were in a big hurry, but I just don't feel like taking my shoes off and taking my laptop out and all that good stuff, so literally just missed it. I see it taking off. So gotta wait 2 minutes. Go check our gate here. This is 1892 flight, B31. Okay, so when I went up to the second level to check out Qdoba and whatever, I noticed Voodoo Donuts coming here soon. Here's an update. It was cheap. Went to McDonald's. All right, there's our plane. 737-800. You normally don't just see those guys out and about for no reason. But it's on the other, that's the sea gates. So you know what it might be? It could be a flight that's coming in. All right, so I think this is a flight they've been waiting for to get in. It's a United flight. Oh wow, they're shooting it with water. I guess that's like a celebration? I've never seen this before in my life. Took a while, but here we go. Hey, Camden Mason, going to Boston. No, get that. Oh my goodness, those are junky. It just broke. That's fun. Okay. Glad I filmed that. Okay. Well, I'll have to play with that because it's literally junk. Okay. Lots of legroom. That's a good thing. And there's a second window. So that's cool. It's really warm out here though. There's my economy plus. Literally right in front of us is first class.
Service expectation. Do not use the app exit unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 live wraps.
gone to the left. I guess we go to the left. I think we go down to get our luggage. I guess. There is that sign there. I'm just going off of instinct here. All right, this is a unfortunate situation. This is so far away from where you go to get an Uber. I'm at the, well, I made it. And man, this airport sucks. Like, the way you have to go with all this sort of luggage, it's like they could care less about, this is just really bad. If you don't have luggage, okay. But when you got all these bags and they make you go through like escalators up from where you first picked them up, they have to go really far down a really long or whatever. Then you go up more escalators and another big long corridor. And you have to go through an elevator. Like right by where you pick up your luggage, they have a taxis. And the taxi union must have done some sort of deal to make Uber and Lyft so far away. So bad. Stupid Boston. All right, I just got to my hotel room. And here's what it looks like. I noticed this when I first closed the door. Like, that's kind of gross. But yeah, so I'm here in what city? I'm in Norwood, Massachusetts. This is a Hilton property. Let's see if there's anything outside. It's kind of weird window. You can't tell at all probably from this, but it's like it goes in on an angle in both ways. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit like and then hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I recently got a iPhone 14, and so I've been using that on some of these videos when it's dark out, like in these nighttime shots going into cities. So hopefully you can tell like a substantial difference, because the main camera I use for like what I'm shooting now is an old iPhone. What is this, an XS? I think it's an XS. And the reason why I actually like this phone better is it's rounded edges. So it's like, it's really comfortable when I'm holding it for a long time for takeoff and landing. But the new phones, they're so square. Like, this is so square that it literally, it will hurt my hand when I hold it so long. I'm just like, oh man, this just, it's heavier. So anyways, all that to say, hope you enjoy the better quality on some of these videos when you see it. That's probably why in the daytime I don't think it's that noticeable of a difference, so I don't use it. But yeah, thanks so much again for watching, and take flight.